Parts of the decommissioned Naval Aircraft TU 142M has been shifted to Beach Road in Visakhapatnam, where it will be transformed into a museum by the Visakhapatnam Urban Development Authority. The aircraft was dismantled by the naval authorities before bringing it to the project site. The project is being undertaken at a cost of Rs 10 crore and will be part of the tourism mega complex that includes the Victory at Sea Memorial, Kursura Submarine Museum, Conventional Hall and Vishaka Museum. After rendering 29 years of service, the Russian aircraft was decommissioned on 29 March 2017 at INS Rajali in Tamil Nadu. It was brought to Visakhapatnam on 8 April. The TU-142 aircraft is based on the TU-95 turboprop strategic bomber, the fastest turboprop military aircraft, and was bought from the Soviet Union to replace the Lockheed L-104-90 Super Constellation aircraft for the INAS 312 squadron. It was armed with anti-ship missiles, self-guided missiles, twin AM-23 automatic cannon, depth charges and torpedoes. TU-142 has a speed of 925 km per hour. It has a cruise speed of 711 km per hour. Its combat radius is 6,500 km and service ceiling is 2,000 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of the aircraft is 85,000 kgs. Barely months after being inducted into the Indian Navy, the propeller-driven aircraft played a key role in Operation Cactus. A group of mercenaries attempted to overthrow the democratically elected government in Maldives, and the Indian government responded immediately to counter the coup, deploying paratroopers and aircraft over the tiny island. When the mercenaries attempted to escape, the TU-142 was dispatched to track the escaping ship, which had hostages on board. The museum will be formally inaugurated by Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu on Independence Day.